The starting gate is rolling for race number 5. It's Jan Ryder and the Orange Crush. On the inside of the center, Freddie, Secret Muscle. And now that's Scary to the outside, El Diablo Hall. Grand Prix Sealster and Aqua Sky. It's a field of 8 for the 5th race. Making early breaking stride is the Orange Crush. His chances are crushed by an early breaking stride. And also with a minor break was Aqua Sky, but only spotted the field 2 or 3 lengths. And they race on into the first turn. And to the inside, Freddie. Then now that's Scary and El Diablo Hall on the outside. El Diablo Hall is going to come on and take the lead. Freddie now is on the inside filling the pocket. Now that's Scary is right now 3rd and is about 4 lengths off the lead as they race off the turn. Then position 4th is Jan Ryder. Then it is back to Secret Muscle. 29-4 the opening quarter as the field races off the turn. And they come on towards us. El Diablo Hall on the inside with the lead, and now getting back into the pocket is Freddie. Then a gap of 2 or 3. Now that's Scary's 3rd, another 5 to Jan Ryder. And then for the back we have Secret Muscle. Then it is Grand Prix Sealster and Aqua Sky. And then it is the Orange Crush, who's back trailing the field. On they race, on past the half. And into the backstretch they go. El Diablo Hall has got the lead as they race the backstretch. Advantage is just a couple of lengths. Then Freddie as they race the backstretch in 3rd. Now that's Scary. Then about 4 lengths back, Jan Ryder. Another 2 or 3. And it is Grand Prix Sealster. Then on the inside, Secret Muscle. To the outside is Aqua Sky. And then it is back to the Orange Crush, whose chances fizzled out after making an early break. On they race on past the opening 3 quarters, and it's recorded in 1:31. And as they race in the final turn, El Diablo Hall still has the lead. Freddie is 2nd, trying to narrow the gap. It's down to a length and a half, and now tipping to the outside comes Freddie as the field is about to turn for home. On down the stretch drive they come. On the inside, El Diablo Hall. On the outside, Freddie trying to color a very sharp El Diablo Hall. El Diablo Hall on the inside. Freddie to the outside as they duel to the finish. El Diablo Hall holds off Freddie. 3rd was now that Scary. And Grand Prix Sealster 4th, 2 minutes and 4/5. Suave Colt, joined by Alvito Montini and Paul Giamichelli and Rick Podolinsky and Dale Hunter. Anthony Montini, the trainer, and Keith Oliver, the winning driver. It's the 6th win in 7 starts for El Diablo Hall. 2 minutes and 4/5. The 5th race, Mutual Prices. Number 70, El Diablo Hall, 540, 240, and 230. Number 4, Freddie, pays 210 and 210. And number 6, now that's Scary, 480. Exact pays 820.